Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download EA Sports FC24 before the release date, or in other words, preloading it. So first is to open your EA Sports application and then click on the browse option at the top left corner of your screen. Now select the FC24. And finally, here you would be able to see the preload option. So you will then just have to click on it. And here you'll be able to see or choose the installation location as well as the language preferences. So you will then just have to adjust everything here. And then after that, just click on next. And finally, tap on the download option. And then right after that, you will then just have to wait until the download is complete. You can start playing the game once the game releases. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.